Have you ever wondered about the meanings behind the logos of your favorite car brands? In this video, we will explore the fascinating stories behind some of the most famous car logos and uncover their hidden meanings. Audi. The Audi logo consists of four interlinked rings, which represent the merger of four automobile manufacturers, Audi, DKW, Porsche, and Wanderer. The logo symbolizes their unity under the umbrella of Auto Union. BMW. The BMW logo is a circle divided into four quadrants, with alternating blue and white segments. These colors represent the colors of the Bavarian Free State in Germany, where the company originated. The logo is also said to depict a spinning aircraft propeller, signifying BMW's aviation heritage. Mercedes-Benz. The Mercedes-Benz logo features a three-pointed star enclosed in a circle. The star represents the company's dominance over land, sea, and air transportation. It signifies their ambition to produce engines for various types of vehicles. Ferrari. The Ferrari logo is a black prancing horse on a yellow background. This iconic emblem was adopted from Count Francesco Baracca, an Italian World War I fighter pilot. The horse was painted on his airplane, and after his death, Enzo Ferrari decided to use it as a symbol of good luck. Volkswagen. The Volkswagen logo consists of a V and W enclosed in a circle. The V stands for Volks, meaning people in German, and the W stands for wagon, meaning car. The logo represents the company's commitment to producing cars for the masses. Toyota. The Toyota logo features three overlapping ellipses, forming a horizontally elongated oval shape. The two perpendicular ellipses inside represent the connection between the customer and the company, while the larger ellipse symbolizes the global expansion of Toyota's technology and limitless future potential. Lamborghini. The Lamborghini logo depicts a charging bull. It represents the founder, Ferruccio Lamborghini's zodiac sign, Taurus. Additionally, it symbolizes strength, power, and the aggressive nature of their sports cars. Chevrolet. The Chevrolet logo is a golden bow tie. The origin of this logo is debated, but one theory suggests that it was inspired by a wallpaper pattern that co-founder William C. Durant saw in a Paris hotel. He tore a piece of the wallpaper and kept it, eventually turning it into the iconic bowtie logo. These are just a few examples of famous car logos and their hidden meanings. Each logo has its own unique story and symbolism, adding to the brand identity of the respective car manufacturer. Ford. The Ford logo is a blue oval with the company name inscribed within it. The logo represents simplicity, reliability, and strength. The blue color symbolizes trust and dependability, while the oval shape signifies a global presence and the company's commitment to innovation. Porsche. The Porsche logo features a black horse rearing up on its hind legs against a yellow shield-shaped background. The logo is derived from the coat of arms of the Free People's State of Württemberg, a region in Germany. The horse represents the city of Stuttgart, where Porsche is headquartered. Jaguar. The Jaguar logo showcases a silver jaguar leaping forward. It embodies elegance, power, and speed. The logo captures the essence of the sleek and agile characteristics associated with Jaguars, reflecting the performance and luxury of the brand's vehicles. Honda. The Honda logo is a stylized letter H in silver. The H represents the company's name and is designed to convey a sense of strength, stability, and reliability. It also symbolizes Honda's commitment to technological advancement and innovation. Maserati. The Maserati logo features a trident on a blue background. The trident is inspired by Neptune's trident, the mythological god of the sea. It represents strength, power, and domination, reflecting the brand's heritage and association with luxury sports cars. Hyundai. The Hyundai logo consists of an italicized letter H enclosed within an oval shape. The oval represents the company's global presence and the desire to embrace and connect with people worldwide. The stylized H symbolizes two people shaking hands, representing trust and partnership between the company and its customers. Rolls-Royce. The Rolls-Royce logo features two Rs intertwined with each other on a silver background. The intertwined Rs represent the founders of the company, Charles Rolls and Henry Royce. The logo signifies their partnership and the legacy of luxury and craftsmanship associated with the Rolls-Royce brand. Tesla. The Tesla logo showcases a stylized letter T in silver. The logo represents the cross-section of an electric motor, symbolizing Tesla's focus on electric vehicle technology. The silver color signifies innovation and modernity. These are a few more examples of famous car logos and the meanings behind them. Each logo is carefully designed to convey the brand's values, heritage, and aspirations, creating a visual identity that resonates with customers. And that concludes our exploration of famous car logos and their hidden meanings. Each logo tells a unique story, representing the values, heritage, and aspirations of the respective car manufacturers. We hope you enjoyed this journey into the world of car logo symbolism.